All right, so my skin has been very odd lately. It's been acting up, even though I've been taking like this new shot called Deplexin, and it has been really doing wonders for my eczema. However, when I am needing of a dose, I get flare ups, which is really fucking annoying because I get all these red splashes all over my face, and just look how like ugh, it's just so ugh to me. But do you guys like my hair color? I like redyed my hair. Well, redyed my roots because they were just showing too much black and I just can't take it. But I think the color is pretty cute. I kind of wanted it a little bit more red, but it's really not. All right, so I got these two products from Tower28 from PR, and I got a lash curler and their new mascara in the brown shade called Drift. So we're just gonna try it out and see how it goes. So when you first get it, it looks like this. Very cute. I love the purple because it matches the packaging. And this helps it kind of like stop it from like opening up and stuff like that. But mind you, I've never really used a lash curler, so let's see how it goes. Let's start off with our lashes. Let's do one side. I guess I'm supposed to curl it, I guess. I don't freaking know. Curl it, maybe hold it for 5 seconds. I don't know if it did anything. Because my lashes are already curly, so let's see. Let's try the other side. Did it make a difference? I don't know. Okay, let's try the mascara and then try this again. You know when it's a fresh bottle when there's no markings of my mistakes all over it, and then the name of the shade is down at the bottom. So it looks exactly the same as the other one, but this one's straight up brown, as you can see, right? So let's see if this brown actually shows up on my black lashes. All right, so let me zoom you in, shall I? Okay, look at these pretty ass lashes. I know you guys want these lashes, but you can't. I'm just joking. One thing I like about this mascara is the fact that it does lengthen your lashes, but it's very natural and easy on my eyes because sometimes I have swollen eyes, man. Sometimes my rash goes to my eyes and it's really annoying. So I still want my lashes to be pretty. All right, do you guys see the difference? This side versus this side. This side is a little bit more lengthened than the other side that doesn't have any mascara on. And you kind of can see the brown, but to be honest, it really doesn't show unless I have blonde lashes. But it does look cute. It's just not really as strong as I thought it would be, but it's very subtle. If I were you, I'll just stick with the black. Or if you just want the brown, then just do brown. It's really not that serious in my opinion. If they did blue, then we can have a conversation. If you guys can tell me how to use this, I'll definitely try it again. But to be honest, for a person who already has curly lashes, this doesn't really help me at all because my eyelashes are already curly. So for those who have straight eyelashes, maybe this product will work for you. However, for me, I don't really need it. Bye guys.